Yes, friends, in our previous videos we had seen yoga practices where the exercise is less. You have exerted quite less. Today we will see some exercises, simple exercises to complement those practices in yoga. Today we will be seeing some simple exercises. Remember, these exercises can be performed at home as well as at your workplaces. So we'll begin with one exercise. Just see, you will be standing at any place you can stand. The posture will be straight, erect, back should be straight. It's a simple round and round movement of your waist, keeping the feet on the floor, keeping the hands as it is by the side of the thighs. You will go from the right to your left and again from left to your right. In a circular fashion you will be moving. Just see. See the movement of the waist. See the movement of the waist. Now here, to start with, you can practice for about 10 rounds at one stretch. Now when you are practicing, see the position of the knees. The knees are straight. What I mean to say, don't bend your knees like this. Keep them straight and start moving from right to left. Now after 10 to 15 rounds, do it in the other direction, from left to right. See, it's very simple practice. You will not be sweating too much. Initially you can do it for about 10 to 15. Later on with the practice, you can increase it to 20, 30, 40 rounds at a stretch. Now this is one practice. Now next practice is you will have to take some distance in the feet. Remember, comfortable distance in the feet. Now you have to go to your right, then go to your left. Now see the position of the right foot or the left foot. As far as possible, it is lateral. And now go to your right. Now when you go to your right, your left knee will be straight, your right knee will be bent. Come back, go to your left, come straight, go to your right, straight, left. Do it slowly. To wherever you can go, you can do it. If it is not comfortable at this position, reduce the distance. And then go to your right, go to your left. This also you can practice for about 5 to 10 at each round. Now come straight and then bring your feet together. Like how you went on the lateral sides, go on the front. Take your left leg forward. See, your left foot is firmly placed on the floor. The right foot firmly placed on the floor. Now take your left knee forward. See, when you take your left knee forward, see the position of the right knee. It is straight in the knee. Just see from the sideways. See, the left foot is forward, left foot behind. Now go straight forward, bending your left knee. Now see your right foot. The right foot firmly placed on the floor. The right knee straight, right leg is straight in the knee. See, there will be a hamstring stretch here. If it is comfortable, do it like this. This also you can do it for about, to start with, 5 to 10 times. Go forward, come back. Go forward, come back. Now remember, when you go forward, this position of the waist and the back should be vertical to the floor. Don't bend like this. When you bend like this, there will be more pressure on the knee. So avoid this. Keep it straight and then go forward. Come back. Now take your right leg forward, left leg back. Take your right knee straight forward. See your left knee. Left leg is straight in the left knee. Come back. do it for about 5 to 10 rounds at a stretch. Later on you can increase to 20 rounds at one stretch. Now this is one. Now we'll go for the lateral bend to the spine. Your feet should be having some distance. Take your hands apart. Now go to your left, straight up, go to your right. Now see the position of the waist and your back. Don't bend forward when you go laterally on the side. Keep it straight like this. Don't make a twist. Don't bend forward. This way, again come up, go to your left. This also to start with, do it for about 5 to 10 rounds. See your head also. The head is down, chin is up. As far as possible, the movements are smooth. Take your hands down. Now next, we'll see the spinal twist. Simple spinal twist. Take your both hands straight forward, parallel to the floor. Now keeping them parallel to the floor, go to your right. Now see, wherever it is comfortable you go. If you go beyond your capacity, you will fall forward. So see again, go to your right, come straight, left, straight, right, straight. Keeping your hands parallel to the floor, go to your right, go to your left. This also you can do it for about 5 to 10 rounds, 5 times on the right, 5 times on the left. Slowly you can increase it to 10 rounds at a stretch. This was about the spinal twist. Now next we'll go little tiring, but it can be easily achieved. Sit straight, stand straight. Now your right, the movement of the right leg, just see. Take your right leg, right foot to your left, then back, then again at the front to the left, back to the left, left, left. See here also, the position of the left knee, it should be straight, the left leg should be vertical. Don't bend like this. Keeping it the left leg straight in the knee, move your right leg like this. This is again a spinal twist also to your waist region. This was about right. Do it for about 5 to 10 times. Then left. Yes. Now next we'll go for a backward bend. Simple. This, remember, all these practices you can very well you can perform at home as well as at the workplaces. Backward bend to the spine. Simple. We must be practicing. We must have practiced during our schooling days. Take your hands up, straight forward, then go back. Again take your hands down. Again go back. See, simple backward bend. Do it for about 5 to 10 times to start with. Initially, don't increase the numbers. Let your muscles be conditioned. Let there be coordination in the muscles, and then you can increase the number of rounds. This was about the backward bend to the spine. Now see, again there is a little different practice, little tiring. Take some distance in the feet. Now combine all this spinal twist and bending forward. The hands are in line with the shoulders, parallel to the floor. Now go to your left and go down. Come up. Go to your right, go down. come straight parallel to the floor, and then take your hands down. This is little tiring. It requires little more practice, but if you cannot achieve this much, even you can achieve this much. See, take little distance in the feet. If you can't go down further, go up to this. Come up. Again, go up to the knee level. Take your right hand straight up. Try to see in the direction of the right hand. Come up. See, once you practice daily, you can go further and further. After few days, you can go here. After few days, you can go still further. After few days, you can very well touch to your toe. But initially, don't go down and down. See, at once, don't try to touch the toe. If you do it, there may be a problem at the spine. So avoid this stretching too much. Now, simple, bending forward. Take your hands up, go little back from the waist. So when you go from the waist back, don't go like this too much. Keeping this little as it is, take your hands up, go little back, just to have a momentum to come forward. Now come down. Come down from the waist. Your waist will move. And then take your hands down. Then slowly come up. Again go down. Come up. Go down. Come up. Go down. Come up. Go down. Come up. Here also, initially it may not be possible to achieve the final pose. You may not be able to touch to the floor. Doesn't matter. Go little back. Come down. If it is possible to bend up to here, do it. Come up. After few days practice, you will notice the difference. You will see the improvement in your postures. Come down. This was about bending down. And then next we'll see again a simple twist to the spine. Initially we did it like this. Now we'll do it like this. This is a very simple. Yes. Now next, little difficult. If you have capacity, do it to the maximum extent. See, you have to take your leg, right leg to the right, left leg to the left. See, the movement will be like this. Take it to your right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, as I said, do it for about 5 times initially. This is the one sideways. Now you have to do it taking the leg forward. Sit straight. Now take your right leg straight forward. See that every time your leg will be straight in the knee. Don't bend forward like this. Take it straight. Yes. Next, what's remaining is taking the leg back. Sit straight, stand straight. Now take your right leg back. See the other leg, the one which is down on the floor, it should be straight in the knee. This also start with 5 rounds. Later on increase to 10, 15, 20. Now next we'll go for simple practice. Again a backward bend, little backward bend, but mainly the movements of the shoulders. Keeping the hands as it is. Take your hands back, encircle the fingers. Then take your hands back, straight in the elbows. This also start with 10 numbers. Later on increase the numbers. Now the movements of the knees. Simple movements of the knees, like how we used to do left, right, but here what we have to do, take your right foot back towards the hip, right hip. See here, see from the sides, right foot will go to the hip, similarly take it forward, take the right knee straight up, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So you must have seen few practices, simple exercises. This you can very well practice at home or even at your workplace. To keep yourself fit, this may be enough for you at present. Later in the next video, we will see some other practices. Till then, practice all these exercises and let me know how you feel. What is the improvement in you? Let me know.